Hi mga ka-district! John here again from Jandam District. And for today's video guys, quick tutorial lang tayo on how to stop syncing your Facebook profile or Facebook information sa iyong Instagram account. So ngayon guys, ang gagawin lang natin is kailangan nyo lang i-click yung profile icon nyo sa baba or profile picture. And then lalabas itong option na to. Kindly scroll down and look for settings and privacy. Tap nyo lang yan. And then may panibagong options. I-select lang po natin yung settings. After selecting settings, guys, makikita natin itong Meta Account Center. Kung sakali man na hindi ito lumalabas, pwede nyo siya guys na i-search settings, type nyo lang Account Center, and then lalabas na po yan. Ngayon, need lang natin i-tap yung Account Center. After that, lalabas tong profiles, sharing across profiles, at iba pang information. Pero disregard natin yan. Dito tayo sa may profiles. As what you can see guys, may two profiles. The reason why there are two profiles is dahil may dalawang Instagram account na nakalink sa Facebook na to. So ngayon guys, para mis-tap yung pag-sync ng info from your Facebook and Instagram, tap nyo lang yung profiles. And then, tap nyo tong may Facebook, Instagram, yung Johan Yoshida Poro, yung mismong Facebook. And then, scroll down lang guys. Makita nyo yung pangalan nyo ulit. And then, sa baba, Facebook. Pindutin nyo lang ulit yan. And then, after that, lalabas na tong sync profile info. Itap nyo lang po siya. And then, may pop-up na stop syncing. And yun, ganun lang kadali guys. So for example, nag-update ka ng Facebook profile picture mo, hindi siya mag-update sa Instagram. So ganun lang guys kadali. Sana nakatulong po itong video sa inyo. Now, if you have any question, suggestion, please comment down below and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe para maging updated po kayo sa aking mga latest videos. So, see ya!